The idle adjustment kit for the K-tuned 80 and 90mm throttle bodies. The kit consists of 2 pieces and is simple to install. First, remove the screw holding the throttle wheel to the main shaft and pull the wheel off of the shaft along with the spring. Be sure to make note of the position of the spring inside the throttle wheel as you remove it. There are a number of adjustment holes along the wheel. If you wanted to make changes to your pedal feel, now would be a great time to do so while the throttle wheel is already removed. Each step along the wheel provides a very noticeable increase in pedal resistance, so only try 1 or 2 notches to start. Next, remove the 2 screws holding the old stopper block in place. You will reuse these screws when installing the idle adjustment kit. Remove the screw farthest back on the throttle cable bracket as well. Put the new idle adjustment block in place with the curved side facing the shaft, lining up the notch with the throttle cable bracket. Reuse the old screws to secure the block in place. Line up the spring and throttle wheel with the shaft and reinstall the screw to hold it in place.
Make sure that there is tension in the spring when reinstalling the throttle wheel by winding the wheel about 90 degrees onto the shaft.
Now you can install the adjustment screw to your desired length. Your K-tuned throttle body is now ready to be installed with your new idle adjustments. Enjoy!